Welcome. If you've been wondering how to clear all of your comments on carousels you've posted on Instagram using the app on your PC with the latest update, this guide will take you through every step in a simple and clear way. First, open up the Instagram app on your PC. Once you're inside, look towards the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see the More icon, which appears as 3 horizontal dots. Go ahead and click on that icon to expand the menu. From here, you'll want to click on the option labeled Your Activity. This section is where Instagram collects all of your past actions, making it easy to manage things like likes, comments, and more without needing to scroll endlessly through your feed. Inside your activity, you'll see different categories. To specifically manage comments, go to the Interactions section. Within this section, there is a tab called Comments. Click on that, and you'll immediately see a list of carousels and other posts where you've left comments in the past. Now comes the easier part. In the top right area, there is an option labeled Select. Click on it to activate selection mode. This will allow you to choose multiple comments at once, instead of deleting them one by one. Go through the list and select all the comments on carousels that you want to remove. Once you've finished selecting, look for the Delete button. Tap it, and Instagram will ask if you're sure about deleting the comments you picked. Confirm your choice here, and in just a moment, all of those comments will be gone. This new update has made it much simpler than before to handle your comment history in bulk. Instead of having to track down each carousel post manually, you can now review everything in one place. Quickly select and clear the comments you don't want anymore. And that's it. You've now cleaned up your Instagram activity in just a few quick steps, making your account feel a lot more refreshed and organized.